Hello, everyone. This is Frank with Cooking with LV, and I just want to say good morning to all of y'all, and I hope y'all are having a great start to your morning. And I had a delivery this morning from Walmart, and I wanted to show you what I got. Some things I'm not going to show because they're personal items, so I hope you understand that. But I'm going to show you some things in food. But first of all, I want to tell you, I'll show you these peppermints in this jar. I'm gonna save that for last because that's something I want to really show you that you need to know. But first of all, I've got oh, knock that over. I got 3 gallons of Walmart white vinegar. I do a lot of canning, and so I had to have some more vinegar. And I got a chicken. I got 3 chickens, and this one is $8.58 for one chicken, and that's expensive. And then I've got 2 packs of the Tyson breast chicken tenders, 8.53. And then I've got the mustard and ketchup from Great Value. And I got a can of cream of mushroom soup. I got I'm sorry, 6 cans. And I got cream of chicken soup, 6 cans. And I got some tomato soup, and I got 6 cans of that also. And I got the Great Value unsalted butter sticks. I bought 4. That's 4 pounds of butter I bought this morning. And this is unsalted. And I use that in my recipes that calls for unsalted. I have some that's already salted. I hardly use much of that. And I got 2 of the cooking oil. And I don't use much of that either, except when someone wants something fried. Most of my stuff is baked. And I got this bag of powdered milk, and it makes right here, as you see, 20 quarts. Excuse me, 20 quarts, and that's for me to put it in my pantry. All this goes in the pantry, and now I'm embarrassed to show this. That's a chuck pot roast, 22.16 for about 2 pounds, and I've got 5 pounds of brown rice. I'm a diabetic, and brown rice is supposed to be better for you than white. And that's the long cooked rice. And here is the instant. A lot of things I use instant rice recipes in. I got some lids for my canning for the jars, and I always use wide mouth. I don't use regular mouth canning jars. Now, sardines, and that's in Louisiana hot sauce. And that's for me. I love my wife. She won't touch them. And that's in mustard sauce. And then I also got 2 packs. 2 packs of this is tuna. Now I love tuna, and my wife will eat some, but not a lot. And then I got a loaf of wheat bread, whole, 100% whole wheat, Arnold, and that I eat a little bit of bread, not a lot. So this is better for you than regular white bread, being a diabetic. Okay, I told you I was going to save this for last. And this is soft. I bought 2 packs. Soft puff. That's they'll dissolve real easy. Now I didn't get these to eat. But I will probably take one or two. My wife will. But I told you I was going to tell you why I got these in this jar. Now, that's a pint. The reason I got that in a jar, I make my own cough syrup. And I'll tell you how I do it. I just fill that up with the peppermints. And I don't have it with me right now because I got to buy one. I ran out. And I do not drink. I just want to let you know that right now, but I don't drink. But I buy a big bottle of peppermint schnapps. And you take the peppermint schnapps that you pour in here till you fill it up. And they dissolve. And once it's dissolved, you just take a spoon and just stir it up real good. And that is your good, that's good cough syrup. Now, I bought a few other things. I bought some Gatorade. Yeah, I bought 4 packs of Gatorade and 3 packs of water, purified bottled drinking water, and they is 40 in a pack. So I've got 3 packs, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little bit of a video on my Walmart haul. It was a delivery haul. That's what I call it, a haul. Uh, Now, if you like this video, would you please do me a favor and like it? I want you to like it and comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you don't mind, when you comment, put where you're from. And once I make this cough syrup, or y'all, I just told you how to do it, but I'll show you some. I don't have any. I've ran out. But anyway, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.